In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install AutoCAD on PC. This is a straightforward process, and Autodesk makes it easy whether you are a student, professional, or just testing the software. AutoCAD is one of the most widely used design and drafting tools, so Autodesk offers multiple ways to access it, including free trials and educational licenses. To begin, go to the official Autodesk website and head to the AutoCAD product page. From there, you'll find the option to either start a free 30-day trial, or if you're a student or educator, sign up for the Autodesk Education Plan, which gives you a free 1-year renewable license. You'll need to create or log into an Autodesk account before downloading. After signing in, choose the version of AutoCAD you want. Make sure it's the latest 2025 release and select your operating system, usually Windows 10 or 11 for most users. Autodesk will then provide the installer. Once the installer is downloaded, run the setup file. The installation wizard will guide you step by step. You'll be asked to select your installation location, agree to Autodesk's license terms, and confirm whether you want the full installation with all components or just the essentials. The process can take several minutes since AutoCAD is a large software package. After installation, launch AutoCAD, sign in with your Autodesk account, and your trial or educational license will be activated automatically. If you purchased a subscription, you'll just need to enter your serial number or activate it online through your account. When AutoCAD opens for the first time, you'll be welcomed by its clean drafting workspace. From there, you can start creating 2D drawings or 3D models right away. Since AutoCAD is performance heavy, it's best to ensure your PC meets the minimum system requirements. Typically, you'll need Windows 10, 1164-bit, at least 816GB of RAM, a modern multi-core CPU, and a dedicated GPU for smoother performance. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.